Okay, today we're talking about what is equal sets and what is equivalent sets. Okay, equal sets, set A is equal to set B, and this one denotes equal sets if they have same members or elements. Like for example, here we have set A and set B. So as you notice, set A has the elements of 7, 8, and 9. Likewise on set B. That's why A is equal, is equal to set B. Okay, on the other hand, equivalent sets, meaning set A is equivalent to set B, and this one denotes equivalent sets if they have same number of elements. This one, same members or elements. On the other hand, equivalent sets has same number of elements. Like for example, we have here set A and set B. So as you notice, the element of set A is 4, 5, 6. On the other hand, the set B is C, D, E. So they don't have the same what's inside. They don't have the same elements, but they have just the same number of elements, 1, 2, 3, and also the set B 1, 2, 3. That's why the set A is equivalent to set B.